day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using C++ programming language that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will compute the greatest common divisor of the two given number. So let's begin. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, so basically guys, I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output using namespace std, and then I create a function that I call GCD with two passing parameters. Both of them has an integer value a and b. If b equals 0, return a, and then return calling the function recursion GCD b comma modulo a modulus b. Okay, and then we close, and then int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. Begin, I have two variables a and b, and then the title of our program, greatest common divisor. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give two numbers a and b, and then it will display the greatest common divisor based on the given two values in variable a and b. And then we have here end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then new line here, and then we close the main function. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video of our program in C++. Let us build and run. Greatest common divisor, enter two numbers, let's see, 64 and 8. So the greatest common divisor is 8 between 64 and 8, and a program. Let us run again. Enter two numbers, let's say 1000, and then the second one is 50. So the greatest common divisor is 50, and a program between 1000 and 50. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on greatest common divisor in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Kindly click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.